girls? Did you come to check what's going on in here? Yeah, we got the boys in. Hi, boys. You gonna take a turn hanging out in the barn for right now? Yeah. Jersey. Sweet boy. Sweet Jersey boy. And Jasper. Jasper, you're gonna be so sweet in here with Jersey. Got your companion. That way we can put the mamas out. Away from the billy goats. Little goldfish. Hi. I see you down there. Your water all full? Want a shower, Dallas? Like, not really. Good job, Amelia. With these turkeys. You know the turkeys are hot when they just want to be drowned in the hose. Actually, they do this all the time. Silly, silly turkeys. Ah, does that feel good? Oh yeah. How's that? The goofiest birds. You're so goofy. All right. Let's fill up your water. Yeah. There we go. I know you like that. Silly girls. Silly, silly girls. Kevin, are you done molting yet? You look sad. Right, Iris? What's up with your boyfriend? Nice. How'd you get out? How did you get out? Now what am I gonna do with you? Where's all your brothers and sisters? Okay, we still got some in there. Where's the rest of you? Okay, good. They didn't all escape. Oh my goodness. Oh, you let it go again? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? These guineas. How are we gonna get you now?
Jump up there.
Now we have it on top of the aviary. Look at you. The turkeys are not very happy about this. Okay, here it goes. It's going back over to its house. Get my hat. Get my hat from the ground. Okay, and get ready to put the hat over the keat. You little thing. Okay. Nice and quiet. Uh-oh. Go back over that way, baby. Go back over that way. Oh my God. Ready? I'm gonna pop it over to you. Try to get it with the, oh. Okay, calm down. We'll get it. Out of the tree. Okay, before it gets away again, slip it in the house. Go back in with your other little babies. Oh my goodness. All right, let's count them now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 10 and 2 chickens. Whew. My goodness. All right, hold on. Let's come out. I've collected the feathers. Excuse me, turkey. Excuse me. Okay, want to give these a rinse for me with the hose? We'll clean those off. Good stuff. Now that we're done with that fun mess, you silly little guys, let's clean out your water, give you some fresh water. Oh my gosh, it smells like pasta sauce just from moving the basil around with some water. So good. Have a drink, hibiscus, thyme, rosemary, oregano. Yeah, have a drink, blueberries. These little jerks. have destroyed my parsley. Look at you, you're a teeny one. Go feed you to a chicken. Chick, chick, chick. Good girl. Okay, there we go. That's better. Whew. Let's take this and give that to the turkeys. Fresh greens. Now it's time to go check on our babies in here. The older Keats and the older chicks. Don't be scared. Here. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. There's a good girl. Look at your friend eating. Don't you want to try some too? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, they found something good in there they're fighting over. What'd you find? Found live grubs, huh? That's nice. This will help a little bit. Chick, chick. There we go. Is that delicious? Chick, chick, chick. What you think? You like my shoes? Yeah, they're pretty cool, right? Come on over, Guinea. Those guineas are just way too cautious. Nuh-uh. Look, Americanas, the Easter eggers are eaten. You know you want some. You gonna let them eat them all? Silly girls. There's two more little babies right here. One nice big beauty right there. Oh yeah. Definitely got some squash bugs happening here. So we gotta do some pest control. But we do have some squash coming up. Look at this pretty little fella. And lots of beautiful sunflowers. Oh my. How beautiful and tall these guys are. And that monster back there.
I was inside watching TV and it occurred to me to think about what I should do, what I think would be best. And I decided that it would probably be best for me to come outside and ask Mom what to do and what to help her with.
Oh, those are pretty. And some green ones still ripen on the counter. You put that in the bucket. Uh-oh. Dropping tomatoes.
I want to be free.
Well, thank you for coming and checking what you can be helpful with. Don't have thorns, but pull out all the grass and the weeds growing. This one's got quite a few. Why don't you work on this bed, Amelia, and let Aiden work on that bed. Follow. This thing's actually a cabbage, so leave that guy alone. Yeah, that's perfect. And then put it into the pile right there. We'll take all those weeds to the turkeys. Hopefully the kids can find some baling twine here. And I am trying to cut off suckers and prune this crazy overgrown tomato mess that's happening right here. It's somewhat better. We gotta stop because I'm reaching the point of passing out. Bye for now, garden. Whew, more fly spray for that big booty. The flies want to eat it up, I'm telling you.
Some eggs for us.
Can I see what you got in there? Okay, we'll leave you be for now. Susan, did you leave us some eggs? Oh, hello, little bantam. Oh, hi. Okay. Hey, Mama. Hi. Oh, don't bite. That hurts. Let's see what you got. Don't bite me. Ouch. Go ahead, Amelia. You grab them. Go ahead. I got her head. Go ahead. Don't want her to bite me. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hey, Mama. Hey, pretty girl. What you got for me? Oh, look at those beauties. Yes, ma'am. Oh, she's a good girl. Good girl. Nice job. 10 a.m. Already fed the animals. Thank God. Because at 10, it's already 104 degrees with at least 48% humidity. That's not true. That's not true. Definitely higher humidity than that. In the sun, 104 degrees. In the shade, just under 100. It's no big deal. No big deal. Good thing we got outside and started working before 8 a.m. Hoo-wee!